Okay, welcome back. Okay, sister, you were doing first five sentences, telling about kana wa akhwatuha and their asma and akhbar. It's khabar. Yes. Yes, sister, go ahead. Bismillah.
Sorry, I didn't have the mic on. Right, okay, so لستم له برازقين. لست ليس ليس فعل ماضي ناقص. تا is اسم ليس, and the meme is علامة الجمع. له is her.
Just ism and khabar. Don't go and beyond, mashallah. Okay. That's great. Just ism and khabar. What is khabar?
Okay, so khabar is برازقين.
Very good. Yes, sentence number 2. Go ahead.
Right, okay, so
إن جهنم كانت مرصادا. Yes.
إن جهنم كانت مرصادا. So كان في الناقص ماضي ناقص, and تاء التانيثي.
Your voice is voice.
Sorry. Okay, so كان فعل ماضي ناقص, and the ta is تاء التانيثي. ضمير مستتر. هي اسم كان. في محل رفع, المرصادا is the خبر.
Very good. Yes, go ahead. كنا قوما ضالين. Yes.
Okay, so كنا is فعل ماضي ناقص, and
yes,
sorry.
we know, mashallah, that's great. Just ism and khabar. What is ism in kunna and what is khabar? That's it.
Right, okay. So ismu inna is the noon.
Na, yes. Na,
yes.
And what is the khabar?
Is qawman. Qawman is the khabar.
Yes, go ahead. Sentence number 4. ليس على العامة حرج.
Right, okay. So ليس اسم ليس is هو.
ليس is على العامة. When the khabar comes before ism, that is what? شبه الجملة. So that is khabar مقدم. حرج اسم مؤخر.
Yes. ليس على العامة.
Repeat it and with voice, please. Don't, right, because yes. Raise your voice.
Okay, so ليس على الأعمى حرج. ليس is the thingy في الماضي ناقص.
No, sister, only ism and khabar. Don't go to them.
Right, okay, so على أعمى, that's the خبر كان, and it's مؤخر مقدم, and حرج is اسم كان.
على العامة is خبر مقدم of اسم فعل ناقصة, and حرج اسم مؤخر, right?
اسم مؤخر.
Okay, كنت من العالين. كنت من العالين.
Right, okay, so كنت من العالين. كنت تا is اسم كان, and من العالين is خبر كان.
Okay, very good. Yes, the shibul jumla khabar kana. Yes, brother. From 6 to 10. Hurry up.
أليس الله بعزيز ذي انتقام. Allah is the ism of Laysa, and khabar is intiqam.
Okay.
And number 7,
which khabar is? Khabar is what? Just a minute. Let me save this because it has to be saved first of all. Yes, brother. Now, alaysa Allahu bi'azizin dhi intiqam. Yes.
Ji, so the khabar is dhintiqam.
No, bi'azizin. Khabar is bi'azizin. We'll discuss
Okay.
in detail, but you have to ponder upon it. Why? And you know that. I understand. I believe you know. Yes, go ahead. Laysa kamithlihi shay'un.
Acha, laysa kamithlihi shay'un.
Uh-huh.
Here the ism is will it be kamithlihi?
كمثله خبر مقدم because that is shibul jumla. Ka is
Yes,
what?
yes, because
Harf
this is
jar
shibh
and
jumla.
mithlihi.
Ji, yes, yes.
And
And
shay'un
this will be khabar
mu'akhkharun.
muakhar.
Yes.
Ji.
Number 8.
كانت الجبال كثيبا مهيلا. كانت here the ta is اسم
Astaghfirullah
no,
Rabbi.
yes, it is الجبال. Ji, this
Al-jibal
is
is ism. That is marfu in front of you. Kathiba
yes, and
mahila.
it's
Kathiba is what? Khabar.
yeah. Ji, won't it be كثيبا مهيلا the whole of it خبر?
Yes, yes, but because we are taking one of them, that is mawsuf.
Okay.
Yes. Ya laytani kuntu turaba. ويقول الكافر يا ليتني كنت ترابا. Brother Eman, why have you muted yourself? You have to do 10.
Ji, sorry, somebody came in. Yes, we are at number 9. يا ليتني كنت ترابا. So here يا ليتني كنت ترابا. كنت to is اسم of كنت.
And turaba is?
ترابا will be the خبر.
Okay. إنها كانت من قوم كافرين.
إنها كانت, so it's ta, it's اسم. And قوم كافرين is its خبر.
Ta is ism. Why ta is ism? How can ta be the ism?
Because it's referring to كانت,
No.
to إنها, to the ha.
In kanat, hiya is ism. Is means the zamir is
Yes,
ism.
okay, so it's mustatir.
Kanat
Zamir
doesn't
mustatir.
have zamir baris. It has mustatir.
Mustatir, okay, so it's zamir
Yes.
mustatir. Okay.
Min qawmin kafirin is what? Khabar. Yes. Can, Acha, sister, go ahead. 5. Next 5. Sister, you're muted from 11 to 15.
Right, okay, so كانوا أشد منهم. So the واو الجماعة is اسم كان. أشد is خبر كان.
خبر. Okay, yes, go ahead. Number 12. كانتا تحت عبدين من عبادنا.
كانتا تحت عبدين من عبادنا. Okay, so can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
So كانتا, sorry. Okay, so the
كانتا is what? Musanna mu'annas. So ta is what? Ism.
Yes, ta is the ism. اسم كان and تحت is
خبر.
the خبر.
Very
yes.
good. Okay. 13.
Right,
كل
okay,
كانوا ظالمين.
كل كانوا ظالمين. Just bear with me, so it's just I just need to pinpoint the ayat in my book just to see what I've written, just so you can
Okay, doesn't matter. Now listen, okay. We are ending this over here. I understand, because I want you to do in a very well manner. Doesn't matter. Inshallah, we'll resume our session tomorrow with Allah's blessings. Let me tell you. Okay, so we were discussing about the points. I repeat those points. We are supposed to go through the exercises of kana wa akhwatuha, then the subtopic of this chapter was that the khabar of kana, either it is shibhu jumla or it is what? Complete sentence. Okay. So you have to just revise the concepts, and you know very well that the ism of kana is marfu and khabar of kana is mansub. That's it. And you just have to find out that how the ism and how the khabar come in the sentences. And you have to go through the concepts only properly, because we are supposed to do exercises together. I'm not asking you to do exercises yourself, but you just need to have a grip on the concepts. This is first thing. Number two, we have done, alhamdulillah, completed everything about al-asma al-mawsul, all the concepts. And you know that what is ism mawsul and what are its forms. The second division, what are the categories, what is ism al-mawsul and silatul mawsul, what is aidul silati, and how does ism mawsul come in the sentence, fi mahali rafa, fi mahali nasab, fi mahali jar, and everything. You have to also remember those concepts. Now, how will we apply them? We'll apply in our exercises while doing the exercises. We'll do the exercises collectively. Then I have told you that we'll be having what? We'll be having common exercises, collective exercises. And I have told you number of them, 10 exercises after al-asma al-mawsula. And those exercises related to all the concepts we have learned in the complete book. And alhamdulillah, you have done more than that because you have learned the surf as well. So now what you have to do, because we will be doing those exercises together, but one thing you must be having before doing exercises, that you must have made a revision of all the concepts very properly. Revise all the concepts from very beginning. From very beginning. Keep on doing, means working on your concepts. Even those people who listen to our videos or our video lectures, you also can go through the exercise, means the concepts very properly of the book, or you can also choose to go through our videos, what we have learned. Then we'll do those exercises together. You'll be having edge of doing exercise together, because if there will be any mistake, we'll discuss together, inshallah. Once you have done, once we have done together all the exercises, remaining exercises of kana wa akhwatuha, and then al-asma al-mawsula, and then the combined exercises, then there will be 5 exams. And I've told you that I will tell you that this is the exam, first exam. I'll give you time, proper time. You will complete your exam. Means first you will go and writing the exam. Then you'll share your exam with me, means the answer sheet. Then we'll discuss that answer sheet together, then whether you have made mistakes or not, right? So having done that, inshallah, we'll complete this book very soon. I want you to speed up. Try to have more time. If you can wake up at early in the morning, you fajr, after 2 or 4 rakat salah, fajr means tahajjud, makes dua and repeat this course. This is one of the best times that you can revise it. And inshallah, we'll done it. You will be having, inshallah, means very enough understanding of grammar. So I think that's enough. We'll meet, inshallah. Is that clear?
Yes, that's
Yes,
clear.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
sir.
Sir, assalamu alaikum.